Hello everybody and welcome to another Brisbane Summer Dip location, and today we are at the Newmarket Pool. The Newmarket Olympic Pool is off Inaugural Road and onto Alderson Street. If you haven't been here before, then you are in for a treat, because this place is a great location for the family. Entry into the Newmarket Pool usually costs a family of four $20, but during the Brisbane Summer Dip, it's $2 each, so that's $8 for the whole family, and another $3 each for the boys so they can go on the big slide. So that's a $12 saving for the family during the Summer Dip sales. The two boys are growing up, but they still do really enjoy a water play area, just like this splash pad with a big giant water tipping bucket. There is also a great shaded wading pool for babies and toddlers. It's also equipped with water features and a little slide. There is an outdoor 8-lane heated 50-meter pool with shade cover over the shallow end. Located also in the 50-meter pool is this big inflatable red rocket runner. We're not too sure what it's actually called, but that's what we call it. Grab a seat by the side and watch all the funny fails. The aim is to run across it and get to the end without falling off. There is no shortage of places to swim here at Newmarket Pool, just like this children's leisure pool area with water features and 3 small slides for younger children to play around in.
Hey guys!
When the wind picks up or you start to feel the chill, head into the undercover 25-meter heated pool for a splash. This swim center has it all. For adults, teenagers and little children, there is a 30-meter double loop slide that you can ride. Just remember, if you want to go on the big slide, it's $3 extra on top of your entry fee per person.
Is he stuck?
You can bring your own food and drinks to the centre, but if you forget something or run out of food, there's plenty to get at the kiosk. From cold drinks and treats like ice creams and slushies, and hot items like hot chips and coffee. When the kids get tired of splashing around, they can head into the shaded pirate-themed playground to have a little play.
Okay, out we go. guys, so that was the Newmarket Olympic Pool. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye!